Good morning, friends. Today I am going to demonstrate how to give LOR tape and LOR rectus sheath block. This is the patient for laparotomy. Patient is induced with GA. Now I am giving LOR tape block. This is hypodermic needle. So I will blunt it like this. I will hit the needle twice or thrice inside the bowl. And here you can see I can feel the bluntness of the needle. So after doing this, first I will give, patient is prepared. First I will be giving rectus sheath block. This is the midline. So I will go roughly 3 centimeter lateral to the midline. First I will pierce the skin. Here you can see I am piercing the skin. So I pierce the skin. Sorry, I will come out. So I am piercing the skin. So I am below the skin, just below the skin. So first I will fill the pop of anterior rectus sheath. Here you can see I am on the anterior rectus sheath. I will pierce it. I have gone through each pop, and when I feel the second resistance, here you can see I am feeling the second resistance. I will aspirate and inject 15 ml of LA. I am using 0.2% ropivacaine. So here you can see after aspiration, after injecting every 5 ml, I am aspirating so that there are no chances of LA toxicity. So I injected 15 ml of LA, and here you can see there is a backflow of the drug from the needle hub. So most probably I am in the right plane. Now I am doing tap block. Here you can see this is anterior superior spine, this is iliac crest, this is costal margin. So this is the midpoint of iliac crest and costal margin, and I am going roughly in the mid axillary line. So again I will take 20 ml of LA. I am inserting the needle. There is resistance because skin gives some resistance, but I have entered the skin. I have withdrawn the needle up to the skin again. Now I am feeling the pop of external oblique fascia and internal oblique fascia. Here you can see I am feeling the first pop, and then I am going inside and I will feel the resistance, bounce, and pop. So here I am below the internal oblique fascia and above the transverse abdominis muscle. I will aspirate and inject 20 ml of LA there. So this is how you can give rectus sheath block and tape block with LOR technique without any hi-fi needle or anything else. So you require just hypodermic needle and LA. And here you can see there is a backflow. If I am in the right plane, there will be a nice backflow. It suggests that I am not intravascular and I am in the right plane. So I am removing the needle. Now I will check with ultrasound study. Here on ultrasound screen you can see this is the internal oblique muscle, this is transverse abdominis muscle, and this is the external oblique muscle. This one is. So drug is spread below the transverse abdominis muscle and above the internal oblique muscle. Initially there was some drug there also. So after that drug is spread nicely between, here you can see there is nice spread between two muscle layers. There is some intramuscular spread also. So here you can see this is the anterior rectus sheath, this is posterior rectus sheath, and drug is nicely spread in the right plane just above the posterior rectus sheath and below the muscle. So this is the both the blocks with LOR technique, and drug is spread, and here you can see the entire spread. This is rectus muscle, this is anterior rectus sheath, this is posterior rectus sheath, and this is in vertical plane. So here you can see the drug spread nicely in the plane. Thank you very much.
Finish. Finish.